It's a point that leftists, even and frankly even some conservative political philosophers made for a long time. I'm thinking of people like Karl Popper. I'm thinking especially of Herbert Marcuse, the father of the New Left, when they pointed out that to be a tolerant society, you cannot tolerate intolerance. And conservatives mock this idea, but there's actually a lot of wisdom to it. There needs be some kind of limit if toleration and free speech is not going to undermine itself.
You know, you alluded to my dabbling in free speech business, in the free speech business. While the Slants case, which is what you were alluding to for those who came in late, was pending. I don't know if we had argued before the Supreme Court, it seemed like forever, but I had the privilege of sitting on a panel with the Pope of trademark law, Thomas McCarthy, at this incredible all-star event, because that was my 15 seconds of fame in the trademark world. And we were prepared, and that discussion, we were talking about the Lanham Act, the trademark statute, the federal trademark statute, which was passed in 1948. And he was very taken with something that I said, I don't mind saying, and I'm very proud of, which is that it wasn't necessary to define things such as scandalous and offensive, or disparaging, or even to outlaw them necessarily, because it would have been unthinkable for a grown man, or maybe the handful of chicks who might want to be involved in that kind of thing, but for a professional, and all this was done by lawyers in those days, you can just go online and register your own trademark, to suggest that you walk into the patent and trademark office or mail an application for scandalous and offensive trademarks. My point actually though was that there was a cultural consensus in those days about what was societally conceivable, which not only does it not exist now, but it has arguably been turned entirely on its head.
That's a really important point.
Because you and I want to go back to something pretty close to that, but there are a lot of people who like it like this and want more.